Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 68 GTO with a 400 under the hood. It's got some beautiful interior. You're gonna love it. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it on the lift so you can check out the underneath side and you see how nice that is. We're gonna pop this hood and take a look at that 400 cubic inch Pontiac motor. We're gonna look at that interior real nice and close. We're gonna get inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. Check this beauty out. Probably one of my favorite colors on one of these cars ever. It's like a strawberry red, it's a maroon, it's got a real light metallic in it, and it is one slick paint job, man. It's got the ram air hood on it. Like I said earlier, it's got a date correct 400 in it. It's got the fold down headlights, and look down the side of this beauty. Look how nice and straight that paint is. It's got red line tires on it. Got great looking wheels, trim rings. All the wheel lip moldings look good. All the margins look good on the door. The rocker molding's in good shape. It's got the chrome side view mirror. All the stainless looks good. The vent window here, all the chrome looks good. Now the door handle looks like it's original to the car and it's in great shape for being 1968. The doors operate nice and smooth. You can see the door lips are nice and tight. They look nice and neat. Looks like it's got a brand new latch in it. Looks like it's got brand new rubber. Door panel's in good shape. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel. That's a Pontiac wheel that somebody's done a beautiful job wrapping some leather around it. That is cool as can be. And these seats, man, these things are comfortable and they're beautiful also. Headliner looks like it's brand spanking new. The dome light's working, the shoulder belts are there. Sun visors look good. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. All the chrome on the dash is shining. The lenses on the gauges are all nice and clear. The faces on the gauges look good. Looks like we got a 3-pack of gauges in there also. Now if I could find the keys, we will get into the trunk here. All right, I got the keys. They were in the center console. Look at the paint. Slick as can be. The chrome looks great. Back window looks great. The trim around the back window looks good. And let's check out the trunk. Look at that. Looks like a brand new car in there. Nice brand new mat. We've got a, looks like a spare and a jack in there. The wheel wells are nice and tight. And look at the paintwork even on the bottom side. And look at the lips here on the deck lid. These GTOs, you got to check this lip back here. That one is nice and smooth. All the gutters here are nicely painted. When you look down the side of the car, beautiful job. Spent hours and hours and hours blocking this car. She's straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own this car. We're not consignment dealer. That means we own all of our inventory here. We bring in about 40 new cars every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 40 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in a 68 GTO. What a sweet ride it is too, guys. Sounding awesome, beautiful paint work on the car. This steering wheel's amazing too, I tell you. All leather wrapped, looking great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to ship this dream to your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. And if you need some help with financing, we got you covered in the finance department too. We got 2 bankers we're working with right now on the financing. We can hook you up with about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is parked right in your driveway, no problem whatsoever. If you'd like to fill out that application online, just go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now she's driving awesome, sounding great, brakes feel good. Get around the corner here and away from all these semi-trucks, we'll take a quick look at the dash. You can see down here on the dash, the speedo is working. The clock's going round and round, but I would not count on it keeping time. It does have what appears to be the stock radio, and it is playing some music. Now we've added a 3-pack of gauges down here, so we've got everything you need there. It's got the His and Hers shifter. Just an amazing ride here, guys. I guarantee you, people are cranking their heads around all over the place as we're driving this thing around. This has got the look. 68 GTO, beautiful paintwork, beautiful restoration, sounding great. Now we'd love to have you come visit us, so please hop in an airplane, hop in your car, whatever, come visit. We don't get a lot of visitors because we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we would love to show you our cars. Right now we've got about 220 in stock, and we bring in about 40 new ones every month. So you never know what we'll be bringing in next. So keep a close eye on us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website. So look at us often. We've always got cool stuff coming in at Vanguard. Now this is our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's making all that music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this 69 GTO now, and she is beautiful. Look at the chrome on that thing. I tell you what, it's looking like I need a haircut, man. I'm seeing a little bit of hair poking up there. Tank looks like it's got a beautiful coat on it. Trunk floor looks good, frame looks great, even new bumper bolts, guys. Brand new exhaust. Always check the drop downs here and feel that lip there. You can see the pinch weld where the inner wheelhouse is pinch welded to the trunk floor. We got right around a 323 gear in there, and look at the paint job on that cover. It is a 10-bolt rear end. It is a Posi. It does have a sway bar. It's got the reinforced lower control arms. Looks like the bushings were replaced. Looks like the shocks have been replaced. Now on the frame, you always want to check this dog leg area on the frame. This is where these cars rot out. This frame looks great. Backside of the rocker, I always run my hand down these things. Backside of this rocker is beautiful, nice and smooth, and that pinch weld is gorgeous, and the bottom side looks great also. Exhaust is brand new all the way to the front. Now this is a Turbo 400, and it's a 76 model Turbo 400, so the transmission has been changed at one time. We've got lower control arms, look like they were maybe even powder coated. That's some beautiful paint there. Bushings look new, disc brakes up front, new ball joints, new shocks. The sway bar bushings look like they're new. Cross members solid. You always want to take a look at these cross members too, because those rot out also. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Sway bar is gigantic. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. Core support looks good here. The bushings in the core support look good. Fan shroud's in good shape. The nose is nicely painted right to the bottom edge. I tell you, the car is amazing underneath. Very, very nice car. Those floorboards are beautiful. Everything about the car underneath looks great. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking Pontiac wheels, great looking center caps and trim rings, and look in there. Those rotors are drilled, man. That's cool. Those are aftermarket rotors. Now, these tires may look like bias ply tires, and they're looking sharp, by the way. We got great looking red lines, but you see what it says right there? Radial. These tires are actually made by Coker. They make them look like the old-fashioned bias ply tires, but they are radial tires, so they drive great. Now, the rocker molding looks good. I've told you guys a million times, make sure you get your finger up in there and check the back side of that front fender. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and watch out for that screw right there. The back of that thing's sharp. Let's check the rear. All right, out back, same good looking tire, same good looking wheel, center cap and trim ring. And again, always check this lip right here. That is nice and clean. And again, be careful, them little screws are sharp. You know how I know? Wheel wells look good. Pinch weld back here looks good. And that rocker molding back here, or that lower quarter molding looks beautiful. And again, like I said, take a look at that brand new exhaust. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 400. Now this is a 68 motor. It is not numbers matching, but it is correct for the car, and it is a correct automatic motor. We do have a 69 carburetor on there. It is a 400. It is a Pontiac carb. She is for an automatic also. We do have power brakes. We do have power steering. Cross-flow radiator looks good. They've done a nice job finishing this surround on the radiator. All this stuff up in here is nicely finished. Firewall's nicely finished. You can see the inner wheelhouses are also nicely finished. Looks like the bushings and the upper control arms are correct. Alternator looks like it's fairly new. It's got a Delco battery in it. Bottom side of the hood's nicely finished. The air cleaner looks correct. I mean, like I said, guys, this is amazing GTO right here, guys. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.